Our product started 3 years ago. We created our company in 2015 as Rivercity Tech, and then one of our spin-off products in 2018 was a GPS tracker. We happen to have a little box here you can see, and the actual chipboard that sits inside of it with our branding on it. And this is what Lance and I have created. So across the last 3 years, the company grew from trying to solve the problem of rural crime, and in fact the original catalyst was beehives being stolen, and it has grown into a company today where we actually build GPS trackers used across North America for tracking everything from trailers and quads, even to goat herders in Alberta, tracking where their animals are. So I'm quite pleased with this. In the next few months, we'll be releasing the new one, which is for bike tracking and pet tracking, bringing more safety and security to people and peace of mind. And I have to say, as a pet owner, I'm really looking forward to the launch of the pet tracker. We've been field testing on some of our animals, and the peace of mind is absolutely incredible. Can't find your dog, where's the darn dog? Just open up the app. Oh, there he is, 2 miles away, chasing a fox, literally. So what's really neat is a side effect of building the GPS tracker, Lance and the engineering team have ended up creating other solutions which are actually going over quite well. Most recently, in fact, about the last 10 days, they've launched temperature monitoring for pharmacies. We call it cold chain monitoring. So pharmacies in Saskatchewan and across North America today can now monitor their pharmacies, collect the data, remit it for compliance reasons, and prevent spoilage of food or medicines or anything in the grocery pharmacy process. Now that's this device. Maybe Lance, if you want to talk about the history behind this device.
Yeah, so with our cold chain monitoring solution, we use a small temperature sensor, exactly this one, and this guy will last 10 years on a single battery, working on our LoRa network. So from a business perspective, it's very nice to be able to use it and not have to worry about maintaining it. And then these little devices can be placed in your pharmacy cooler or your refrigerator for food, refrigerators and freezers for food in grocery stores. And then our software and app will alert you if the temperature is ever out of range or anything's going wrong or if you have any problems. And then it also records all the data and automatically reports it. So when it comes to reporting time for your compliance regulations, it handles all of it for you. So now all of a sudden you don't need to pay employees to check on this manually multiple times a day and record all the data. This simple solution does it all for you.
We're currently working on an indoor air quality sensor project, which will be post-COVID world and run on our LoRa network, but bring in other accessories with it to remediate poor air quality in rooms and monitor for carbon dioxide levels and other things, which in this meeting I won't get into. Lance and I have been on the same page for the last 3 years, and our goal was to scale up with an investor. We wanted to stay in Saskatchewan. That was my personal goal. And today we are on a clear path forward to scale the business to Canada, USA for our hardware and solutions we sell. And then next into France because they have the LoRa network fully covered in Europe there. That's on our roadmap, that's where we're going. So ideally we will continue to hire, grow the business, add the sales staff. We're looking at hiring a couple of computer engineers, another computer science developer. And then in 2022, I expect we'll be adding staff in the United States and France for the sales and distribution side of things. So that's our roadmap. We have a 5-year vision, and ultimately I'd like to continue to grow the business and just create more jobs here. And what the government and the ecosystem has invested in us, hopefully is a 10-fold, 20-fold kickback back into the province through employees' wages and new families calling Saskatchewan home.